You're the bloody cop. I'm just a bartender. Been here, what do I know?
You may not be a six or spy, but don't pretend you don't know a little about everything that goes on in this place.
I strong-armed Taylor into deeding me my bar in trade for keeping his secret. I'm not about to risk that by playing and guessing. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to go sleep for about a month.
Malcolm, what are you doing?
I was about to ask you the same thing. What is all this?
Work. Mine, not yours. You have no right to unlock my work drawer.
I am Chief Science Officer for all of Terra Nova. Your work is my work. Now, what is all this?
But I'm performing an autopsy.
On a 5-year-old skeleton?
Yes.
Well, where'd it come from? What happened to it?
I'm working on it, okay? Look, sorry.